Okay, YouTube Studio is saying that I am live. Just let me know in chat if I'm actually am live, because it lies to me all the time. Someone said turn on. Have I turned it on? Everyone's already spamming egg. Hasn't even, before the stream even started. Oh dear, is the chat broken again? Please let me know if I'm here. Hi. Okay, I think someone... Egg? You're here. Okay, good. Good. So, I'll switch it to this. So, what I'm making is Cookie Clicker in 10 hours. I forgot how much time we have left. I probably should check that, eh? But this is what we got so far. We got a cookie, we got shine effects. There's meant to be particles, but it was too laggy, so I had to turn them off. We got incredible art by me. We got cookie upgrades, multiple pages. We got buildings. We got curse upgrades. The art is impeccable. There's even a save and load system. Yeah, it's there. You can't really use it yet, though. Yeah, so we've got Jackson Academy in the chat, which has way more subscribers than me. Hello. So what I want to do in this game... Oh, I've got the screen wrong. I need to change this. I'm really competent at live streaming. What I want to do in this game is make a prestige system. So it resets your cookies, and then you get a new currency like heavenly chips. I think that's what they're called in Cookie Clicker, which give you bonuses. Okay, so, and you can comment your suggestions in the chat, which I sometimes read. Oh, Jackson Academy donated $2. Thanks, mate. you could have made me, could have had a suggestion there, and I would have done it more. YouTube Studio is giving me warnings that my stream is below the recommended bitrate. Don't know what that means, eh? Okay, so what I want to do is make a prestige system. So prestige, might zoom this in a bit, eh? So I'll just add moths to Cookie Clicker. What is... I don't get... What? Okay. So the costumes will open. So a prestige button would be somewhere in the corner, maybe... Okay, that looks bad. So we could have the prestige button here or something. Does the gold cookie work, someone asked? Yes. Your quality is good, it's fine, Donut. Thank you. So the prestige button could be like maybe a reset. Or maybe it could be like, I could get the cookie and have like a glow and a halo and all that sort of stuff to make it look really cool. Someone is spamming please add more, so I don't know what that means. You might have to explain. Okay. So there's a cookie, and then if we add a blue glow, okay, maybe a circle, and color it blue, and then we change it to gradient, and then we change it to fade out, then we send it backward. That looks terrible. Someone's saying diamond cookie. Those aren't in Cookie Clicker. There's only golden. And then we could have like a golden up arrow. So it's like prestige. Like really good upgrades. Not just your regular upgrades. Okay. So we got an arrow. And then we can make it look like it looks better by sending it backward and darkening it. Okay, someone's saying egg. Wow. Who would have guessed? Someone's saying it would look better by rounding the corners of the buttons. I'll try that actually. Also, that color looks bad. I'll fix that later. So to round the corner of the buttons, I think you need to do this. It's a bit pointy out. Maybe something like that. Now I have to just mirror that. So let's round these button corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, someone said add a upgrade that makes the golden cookies spawn more. Yeah, I'll do that later. If I remember. Maybe I can just drag. Yeah. And then these need to be straight. Okay, so the corners are looking more rounded. I just need this corner. Make this pointed, make this pointed. Oh. You know what? I think that actually does look better. Thanks for the suggestion. Please add donuts that give you sugar cookies. I've got donut cookies. You could use... I don't know what anyone's saying. Confusion. Okay. So I'll need to fix this. Maybe make it just darker. Yeah. We could add highlights. I'll learn a word. And then make that really bright. Let me get rid of that lump. Okay, now it just looks weird. So this is our prestige button. I can't draw. So that's a big problem with this game. It looks terrible. But I can code. And the clicks... Make it so you can change the background and the click sound. Yeah. Background picker shouldn't be too hard. I'll just make prestige work before I take any suggestions. So I think this... Let's make some variables. So... Heavenly chips. That's what the prestige currency is called. And then we'll need... times prestige or something. And then we'll need a... Oh, my thing's lagging a lot. Prestige. And that will do it, I guess. And we could do like calculate needed cookies. Calculate. No. Wait, I'm not even sure what I'm doing. I think we'll need levels gained. So levels gained is gonna be how many prestige levels you gain. And that's gonna be times the current amount you got times a lot plus a bunch. Okay, what is everyone saying here? Egg cookies right now. No. We don't need egg cookies right now. Actually, I might need a... Wait. I'm really confused with what I'm doing myself, so... Who knew Scratch would be so hard? Maybe I can copy paste some code so I can make the button work. Cool. So I need to say something. So this think block will be a tooltip. Join. Okay, someone's saying add a golden cookie upgrade which make the golden cookie spawn more often. I said I would do that. Just not now. Okay. Prestige. Gain levels gained, heaven chips. You have, and then I'll add another join block. So this will be shown when you hover over the button, tells you what the button does. Oh, it's too long. So, add bird, it will peck the cookie for you and get more score for you. No. The buildings... I'm trying to make this as much as normal cookie clicker as I can. You currently have only chips. You need... This is going to be such a long tooltip. I want to say how many you need for the next level, but I don't know how to calculate that, so I won't. And then we'll need... Okay. So... Oh, there's a space missing. Prestige gain 0, you currently have 0. That's expected. And now we'll need to actually calculate. How about if you got so many grammars, one of them will start eating... Yeah, so I will do the gram apocalypse. Someone's asking for that. Make a Google form, you can put suggestions in, someone asked. I'll just put them in chat. Even though I won't really read them. So I want to hide all the variables. Gain 10,000, that's wrong. I need to do something about cookies. So, cookies... I don't know what this formula should be. So it should be... You need... a certain amount of cookies. What if I Google it? Cookie clicker wiki. Okay, so... What? Ascension. I'll just... They usually put the formulas in here. Wait, here it is. All prestige and x over 1 trillion divided to the power of 1/3. Okay. So we can do... over... that. I don't know how to do to the power of in Scratch. Huh. And then cube root of cookies baked all time. So I guess we could do cookies. What if we just do that? Cookies divided by that big number. And that's how many you'll get. Yeah. And now we want to make them do something. So... Heavenly chip effect. That will be some variable, it'll do something. Oh, chat's being annoying. Okay. Oh, now. So chat just updated for me. I need to read it because I ignore this. Is prestige like rebirthing? Yep. Look how to make powers on Scratch Wiki. Ooh, good idea. Scratch Wiki. Okay. So I want the to the power of block, which doesn't exist in Scratch for some reason. They got every other block. Okay, the music's annoying. So power. Let's just Google. Let's just search that. Add pies that give you more money, please. Yep, we'll add pie as a type of cookie. Maybe I should do like how to make to the power to Scratch, because it didn't show anything in the wiki. Okay, oh, try this. 10 to the power of log of x times y. Okay. Sure. 10 to the power of log of x times y. So times 1/3. 1/3. So we put that in there, and I think that matches the formula. Yeah, that looks good. I made a tutorial of how to show current time, someone said in chat. Isn't that just the current time block? Add a second prestige layer and the currency is candy. I need to finish adding the first? Oh dear. The first doesn't even work yet. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll calculate the level you're getting. So you calculate level if you're gonna get more than one, then we'll let you actually prestige. Otherwise, we'll say come back later or something. I'll just do nothing. Then we'll want to ask for confirmation. This will reset everything up until this point. Do you wish to continue? And then... Okay, someone's saying skibidi toilet again. Thank you. Okay, so if you answer yes... Where's answer yeah? Then we'll reset. So, I think I got a block... Okay, so broadcast prestige. I don't even know how to spell that word. And then we'll change. So that broadcast is going to reset everything. Change heavenly chips by the amount. This one. And I'll delete all of that. Okay, so now I need to define what happens when you reset. So, prestige. We want to reset our cookies. What if you prestige and a cookie meteor comes down and it explodes and it resets your progress? I'm going to make the cookie like shatter into pieces and then explode like that. Because that's what it does in the real game. So, I'll show you later. It's not going to be a meteor though, I can't do that. But it is going to shatter. If I can make that work. So set cookies to 0, set cookies per click to 1, set cookies per second to 0, set CP that to 0, CPS modifier that can be 1. I think that's all I need to oh no, I need to shop. Okay, it's lagging opening the shop. So I need to reset the shop. So when I receive prestige, we want to broadcast, reset, and calculate CPS. Because otherwise you'll cheap all your buildings, which would be a bit unfair. And also, I want to make sure this button doesn't appear all the time. So, if cookies is greater than... I don't know what the number was. It's this number. If cookies is greater than that, show the else hide. What if you prestige the cookie becomes a bomb? No. Please add egg cookie. I am going to add egg cookie. It's just not now. Okay, also I should make a cookies made all time. Cookies baked all time. Because if you spend cookies, it might make the button disappear and change the thing. It's meant to be based on how many cookies you've baked in total, not how many you have currently. If that makes sense. Probably doesn't. So we want to change cookies baked all time. We want to change cookies baked all time. And then in the golden cookie, want to change cookies baked all time. So change cookies baked all time. Oh, I'll need another variable here. So set temp. Boom. Boom. Done. I also need to use that variable now. So the calculationing should cookies baked all time instead of just cookies. And I don't know where the formula went. Here it is. How about when you prestige a pickaxe goes to the cookie and mines the cookie, then it explodes? No! It's just... Okay, I'm going to show you what happens when the cookie explodes. So, I'm going to delete bits. So we're going to have a bit there, a bit there, a bit there. It's going to shatter. And then... Huh. That didn't work, did it? I'll need to figure out how to actually edit this properly. I might have to open Photoshop. Well, fake Photoshop. So, someone's still spamming egg. Maybe you can make it so you can get cookie designs. So the big cookie isn't going to change, but the little cookies that when you click on it are going to change. And I have been working on that. New project. Actually, open from computer. Let's see what's in my downloads folder. Actually, let's not. Let's move it on this screen. So I got the cookie. Okay, so, and now I'm gonna shatter it. I'll zoom in. So it's all in pieces now. Oh dear. And then now what I can do is maybe I can I just want to select the little chunks I made. The little cookie shards. What? Okay, so I'll use this selection tool and then move it to a different layer, and then I'll have to do that 10 trillion times. It's probably an easy way to do this, but I'm too stupid. Come on. What? Can it select? Okay, so what I'm doing is selecting little chunks of the cookie and then putting them on different layers, and then if they're on a different layer, because of how Photoshop programs work, is things on different layers you can move them differently. So, and then we can have someone saying add cat cookies. Yeah, I'll add more cookie suggestions after I finish working on the prestige system. Because otherwise I'm all over the place. And I've also forgot to put the timer on. This is meant to be a 10-hour cookie clicker challenge. And I kind of forgot about the time bit. I'll just, next stream, because I think we'll need a part 3 because 10 hours is a long time. I'll put the timer up and I'll calculate how long we have left. Because we still had like 5 hours left last time. Okay. We're like halfway done now. Oh, this is such exfoliating content here. Okay. When is going to be the next stream? Someone asked. I'm going to probably try and do one tomorrow if I can. Working on I'm making a Steam game. It's called Bubble Wrap. I haven't worked on it for a while, so I'm like, oh, maybe if I do a live stream, I'll actually get something done. But that could change. Who knows? Make it so people can post suggestions on your Scratch profile. I don't read my Scratch messages. I've got like 10,000 or something ridiculous on my in my inbox. Okay, so here's the cookie, and now we can probably save this. Okay, save. Okay, and now we can move the little pieces out, and we can rotate them. Actually, I might move them in more closely first, and then we'll slowly get them out so it looks smoother. So there's normal. Okay, so export as PNG. And now what we can do is move them out a bit. It looks like it's shattering and breaking and exploding. So I might have to add egg to the banned chat words. I don't understand. Okay. So I'm just going to slowly move little chunks of the cookie out, because then it'll make the animation look better. And then we can actually implement it and see if my code works. And then we can add your cookie suggestions. I might need to make the canvas bigger. Canvas size. So I need to add more drawing space. Didn't make it much bigger, did it? Okay. Boom. And it's slowly getting further apart. I'm not even sure if I exported one before. Okay. And now I file export as PNG. And now... Okay, someone's saying, what about you make a sound effect? Yep, I will. I'm not as fast as people think it seems. This takes a bit of time. Okay, and then... Donut, can I ask you something? Yep, you can. Okay. So now I import these. If the thing will load. Okay, I'll move my download screen away. Okay, so we're importing some cookies. And they imported the wrong way round. Thanks, Scratch. Okay, so now what we can do is we can create a loop. Repeat. So we switch it to the first one. We repeat 4 times. Next one. Okay, we might need some delay there. Yeah, so it shatters. And now at this stage we can make it fade out or something. So to do that, I know what to do, of course. Could we add a... Maybe we could... Hey, I don't know how to make them fade out nicely, but I'll try something. We can have a gradient, use all this fancy Photoshop stuff. Oh, oops. And then we can draw this. Oops. We can draw this fabulous gradient, and I can select, and then I can make masks. I think this is what it's called. Wait. And then... oh dear. I don't think that worked. So... I need to... so what I'm trying to do is make it fade out. Yeah, see, that kind of worked. So I'll do that for the rest of the layers. Oh, I think I actually need it showing. This, I don't really know what I'm doing myself, so... okay, yeah, that worked. Oh, look at that cookie, it's fading out. The ghost effect exists in Scratch. It does. The ghost effect does exist, but it changes the whole sprite at once. I want it to fade out from the center. See how this is fading out the further I put it away? So maybe we can even start shrinking stuff now. So we can do that. And boom. So now the shards are fading away from the center instead of just everything being faded out. Just use a clone on top that is fading and increase its size. I don't think that would work. Because that would just add like an overlay instead of actually changing the pieces to be transparent. Okay. And I might do this a couple more times. So we shrink it, rotate it, move it, do all that sort of stuff to make it look like the cookie is being exploded. Hey, Donut, can you help mine? Watch ad and not working. Is color darker when I start it in Unity, please? I can't help you with that, sorry, I don't understand. Add an idea that is really stupid, someone said. Yeah, I'll do that. I'm gonna add an egg cookie. The most stupid idea I've ever heard. Okay. And I think we can do a couple more. Just to really make the animation probably better than all the art in the game. Okay. I'm watching this as well as playing Cookie Clicker. I wish I could be playing Cookie Clicker right now, but it would use too much of my performance on my computer, because my computer kind of sucks. It's struggling just streaming. It's a ROG gaming laptop. I could have made the little pieces of the cookie like sprites itself. Couldn't have I. Couldn't have I. And then that probably would have been easier. Oh well. Is it time for the cookie ideas? I can't add the cookie ideas right now because I'm working on this. But it will be time for the cookie ideas. Some to stage. Okay, open. I really feel like people want eggs in the Cookie Clicker. Did it import the wrong way around again? Thanks, Scratch. Okay. So it's like that, then it's that. Yeah. Maybe make the last sprite an explosion. Nah. We can clear graphic effects. Set size to 100%. And oh, I think it needs to be 80%. And then we can change the ghost effect. So we can use that to just make everything fade out a bit. Oh, it needs to repeat more than 4 times now. So 8 times. I doubled the amount of frames. Okay, we can maybe wait 0. Wait, 0 seconds? Okay, 0 seconds is too small. Who knows? It doesn't look that good. Okay, maybe I can change the... Wait for the... to change the transparency until we're later. So if... Don't know, that is so crisp. It is not crisp at all. If... Costume number... greater than 4... I reckon that could work. Okay, and then when I receive prestige, I'll wait a second. And then we'll need a sound effect. Should we do like... I'll make one. Or we could do... Okay, maybe a bit softer. And then we can delete that and add a little bit of a fade in. And a fade out. Okay, so explode! Okay, so... Start sound explode. So let's watch the prestige animation. Oh, that's the wrong block. Oh, the volume's really low. Okay, that's too slow. And then we'll hide. And maybe we could also make the shiny effect disappear as well. When I receive prestige, we can wait a second. Well, we can repeat 10 times. Change ghost. So that's transparency by 10. Maybe we can do it 20 times and change it by 5. And then we can have the shadow disappear as well. Okay, now we can... Yeah, so see how the... Oh, oopsie. We'll need a show block here. See how everything fades out? Yeah. We can also have the background change. I don't know if you can fade the background, so like plain background. We could make this a new sprite, like indicators or something. Boom. Yeah. And this needs to be a 0, 0. And we can just copy this code. Okay, and then turn slow mode on, please. The spam is actually kind of funny, I'm sorry. It does bury the good suggestions, but it's funny having a lot of eggs. Okay, so we can test... Oh, we also want the shop to disappear as well. Okay, clean that up. Okay, now we can test the shop. We also want the prestige... Actually, sorry, give me 2 more seconds. We want the button to disappear as well. So wait, 0.1 maybe. Yeah, see how everything fades out, and then the cookie is the thing that gets deleted. May know how the cookie comes back after shattering? So, after the cookie explodes, it'll give you a new screen of new upgrades, and then there'll be a button to, like, make the cookie come back again. Don't worry, you're not going to just have no cookie to click anymore. So we also, I think I should make the size increase as well. Repeat 30 times 0.3, I guess. And then we can try this again. Yeah, see how it zooms in? I think that looks even better. Yeah, I can't stop playing this. That's actually cool. Okay. And now, so now that's the prestige. Oh dear. Can I throw children out the window? Yes. Egg. Okay, I probably should turn slow mode on. Okay, I can see what you mean. I'll see where the slow mo button is. Slow mode is now on. For 1 second. I don't think I'll change anything. Okay, so now it's the cookie ideas. The part you've all been waiting for. Okay, so we need to add... I think I remember there being an egg cookie we need to add. And a cat cookie. So let's duplicate this. This is going to be 110. So, I'll delete my terrible art there. Place even worse art. Egg. So, egg cookie. Oh, I think I could use the egg emoji. Yes! That replaces me needing to draw art. Okay, the Windows egg emoji looks terrible. But, there we go, there's egg. We'll also have a little shadow if we can. Oops. You know what? Egg needs no shadow. Okay, so we got egg. Then we can have cat. I remember there being a cat. Uh-oh. Oh, there's we could use the scratch cat. Diamond cookie? Oh, sure. Scratch is lagging. Okay. We could use cat, cat flying, or cat 2. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Group it. Then shrink cat down. There's your cat cookie. Not even shaped as a cookie or anything like that. Okay, then we want 112. Diamond cookie, sure. Don't know how to make it draw a diamond cookie. Diamond cookie. Oh dear, there's a storm outside. Hopefully that won't ruin the audio quality. Okay, diamond cookie. So we could have a... Could have a triangle. That looks diamondy, right? Okay. This is using 100% of my art skill. And then we could fill it with... Okay, someone's saying make a sugar cookie a couple times. I think that's what I'm going to have to do next. Oh dear. This is using 200% of my art skill. I don't know how to draw. That's the problem with adding these cookies. That looks diamondy. Wait. Okay, I want to make that. What I was trying to do is this. Oh yeah, like this. It's close. Okay, maybe we can delete that. We can do that. Ooh. So there's more of a flat top. Okay, that's where I'm going wrong. Whoa. Oh. That is perfect diamond. Okay, there's this sort of diamondy pattern on the diamond. Let's see if I can draw that. You know what? What if I just do this up and down thing? Someone asked, how you doing, Donutask? Good, thank you. Okay, yeah, the storm outside is getting real grumbly. Oh, that is the worst thing I've looked at. Someone needs to make me draw something that's easier. And I think the next one's sugar cookie. So I don't know what a sugar cookie really. Okay, are we talking about a cookie, like the most plain cookie imaginable? Or are we talking about a cookie with sugar on it? Is it a boring sugar cookie or is it a frosted sugar cookie? Plain, okay. So, I reckon I can draw this one. Wait, what if I use a color picker so I can't even get the color wrong? Okay. The color picker's lagging. That's how bad my computer is. Did I make a donut cookie? Someone asked like a million years ago. I did make a donut cookie. That was in last stream. Oh. We could even add an outline to this. Whoop. Oh. Okay, so we can add an outline. Oh, don't you just love how good Donutask's skill is? Okay, we could even add the little cracks in it. What do they look like? Random. Good. That looks awful. Who cares? 10, 11, 12, 13. I think I can add one more. And we could do the skibbity cookie. Because everyone was asking for it last stream. I'm going to give the people what they want. Even though it's not even come up in the chat recently. Okay, so. Wow, this is such a Riz moment, and it is so Ohio. Am I using the words right, fellow kids? Okay, that's all the cookies I can add for the moment. I want to work on the prestige system again, because that's one of the like a main feature in Cookie Clicker that we just don't have yet. But I'll need to add the prices and descriptions and all that. Okay, so so the first one is egg. Okay, so egg can be just one cookie, and the description can be egg, and it can give you a whole like nothing to your cookies per second. It'll give you plus 0.1%. Okay, and now I think the next one was cat. And it can be meow, 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 meow. And that can be 1%, and it can cost $3,000. I just clicked random keys. Okay, the next one I think was sugar cookie. Very sweet. That can be 9,000. Oh no, it's a plain cookie, so 1,000 can be that. Yep. And then we can add. Then the next one after sugar cookie. Oh no, it was diamond then sugar cookie. Oh, the diamond looks terrible. Okay. So it was shiny. I can't write descriptions if you can't tell. And a diamond cookie will be really expensive, but also give you like all the cookies per second in the world. We could go very valuable. Quite sweet. And then the next one was, oh, the Skibidi toilet cookie. That's so funny. So we'll do funny numbers. And we can go like bop, 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 yes, yes, because that is so funny. And we can do, we can make it give you 0 cookies per second. So it's actually useless. Okay, so now let's go. R.I.P. cookie. It's still dead. Might need to get the cookie back. And people are spamming cookie suggestions. Cookie suggestions over for now. I want to work on the prestige system. Where's our cookie gone? What? Oh, I might need to show. What does the diamond cookie do? Makes the yeah, it's a cookie upgrade. So, well, I can switch here and then. Oh, I figured out how to use OBS a bit better. Okay, so cookies. So we got plain cookies, all that. Cute cookies, Oreos, cookies, gingerbread man. We got egg, cat, diamond, sugar. So the diamond cookie is very valuable and gives you 10% more cookies per second. And then this is useless, then costs a lot of money. Plus 0.1, it's meant to give you plus 0, but who cares? Okay, I'll read the chat, give me 2 seconds. Okay, someone's spamming, please add mint cookies. I'll add more cookies later. What I want to do is make the prestige button work. Okay, so let's set cookie baked all time to 999. And then, yeah, so we get this button. And then if we, it's meant to, oh, my face is still wrong. It's meant to have rounded corners. They're very subtle. Yeah, okay. And I think I might have lost some progress. Great. So, what did I lose? Please say I have the Skibidi toilet cookie. That was the best thing I ever made in my life. Oh, it's still there. No. Okay. So I think what I was doing. Oh, the stream is playing on my phone now. Oh dear. I need to stop the feedback loop. Okay. So I think what I need to do is get the cookie to show again. And I think that's all the progress I lost. I'll turn the music off. Okay, so switch costume to 1. Okay. Yeah, we got our cookie back. And I might turn the music off because it's getting annoying now. So we got that. And now I think I was testing if the prestige works. Set cookies baked all time to 99999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999 prestige points. Okay. I'll add cookie suggestions later. I want to try and get this working. So, now hopefully the animation works. This will reset everything up until this point. Do you wish to continue? Yes, I do wish to continue. Okay, the numbers still show. I probably should fade them out as well. Because I want everything to fade out. And then... I think it's that. So... yeah. Well, then everything to fade out. Then we'll have a new screen. And we'll go like... prestige upgrades. So when I receive... where's the when I receive? When I receive... no, we want to broadcast prestige upgrades. So we can change this to be a starry background. Prestige background. And we'll make it so you can have special upgrades here. We can... okay, wait, what? It's still going for me? I got the stream back up, so it should be going. So when I receive prestige upgrades, we'll switch costume, switch background to this. And then normally, we'll get it to the plain background. And now, we'll also want a thing for showing everything back up again. Back to normal. That can be the broadcast name. So when I see back to normal, we'll do that. We'll also want a button. We'll also want the upgrades themselves. So prestige upgrades. You can comment some prestige upgrade ideas if you... oh, golden cookies still show up. I probably should make that, if backdrop name equals plain. Oh. Okay, if back... I want to make golden cookies not spawn when you're getting the prestige upgrades. Because the prestige upgrades are special thing. Like, it's an area where there's just the upgrades, nothing else. Okay. So we want that. Okay, we want that to be in a knot. Add infinite cookies for click upgrade. No, you can't just have infinity cookies per click. Make a big bang. I don't really understand what you mean by that. Okay, so the first cookie upgrade can be, we can have, clicking is worth 10 times as good or something. So you can go to the shop. Oh, that diamond looks terrible. Okay, we can take this upgrade, whack it in a circle, and we can apply a bit of a gradient to it. You know how much I love my gradients. To be a bit like the normal color, but I think that could work. And then we'll need to change the purple background as well. Wait, it's back? Yeah, it is back. Sorry, the stream, my computer blue screened of death. Is that how you say it? Blue screen of death? It was very annoying. I wish Windows 10 actually worked. Okay, so make golden cookie spawn 5 seconds fast for 10 prestige points. Yeah, I can do that. The background can be... Ooh. We can... I'm just... That could work. Oh, there needs a, it's missing a bit of a shadow here. What is this as? It is filled as black. So I can go backwards. Fill as black. Oh, someone wants achievements. I probably should add achievements at some stage because Cookie Clicker does have achievements. But they would be even more hard to make than a lot of the other features. Because, like, you'll need a screen for them. Every achievement unlocks differently. It's just a whole mess to work with. Okay. So this can be... click... better click. I don't know. We can have a better golden cookie because I saw a suggestion for that. The golden cookie is okay, I want to make a better golden cookie than this. Because, okay, I'll open up Photoshop. Oh, Photo P, it's fake Photoshop. Please add a secret. When you get reset 1,000 times, you get a golden egg that gives you 10 million cookies per second and 1,000 per click. I could add like a secret like up, up, down, down, left, right, BA. That key code, the Konami code. And then it gives you just 1 million cookies. That'll be pretty funny. Okay, just I need to open up the cookie. Oh, here's the YouTube video thumbnail, by the way. I make the thumbnails before the actual videos are done. So, oh, I probably should change that to 10 hours. Because there's only going to be a 1 minute versus 1 hour challenge. But, do you like the great clickbait I make? Where's the actual cookie, though? So, it's somewhere here. I need the cookie so I can... Great, the cookie has a thing in it. So I need to export... I'm going to need to export this, then open it in Photoshop again. And then I'll make it gold. So what we can do is effect, color overlay, a goldy color, then we can change it to overlay. And then that looks a bit better than just having a crappy gradient slapped on top. Still doesn't look quite right, but it looks better than what I had before. Someone asked what if I could help making sprites? Yeah, you could. I'll share the project when it's done, and then you can remix it. And maybe we'll have a remix with good art. Cookie clicker in 10 hours, but the art's actually good. Okay. So someone did suggest an upgrade which makes the golden cookie spawn more. I'm like, oh, good idea. So let's get a gold. Scratch image editor doesn't let you use the Control Plus and Control Minus to actually zoom in the costume. It zooms in the entire window. Okay. I need a circle. And then this is going to be the shadow. Okay, backward. Okay, and then we set the shadow to like 50. And then make it a bit smaller because it's... Oh, if I can select it. Make it a bit smaller because that's too big. Yeah, good. Okay, better gold cookie. Okay. Make a cookie, but it's a yellow hexagon. No. Add a prestige but upgrade that gives you an activated ability button that multiplies the cookies you gain. Don't know what you mean by that. Make an upgrade where you get a golden cookie then 2 spawn. Huh? I'm confusioned. But what I'll need to do is actually lay out the upgrades. Okay, so when I start as clone, I'll need to make oh dear. Prestige upgrades. I need to make them so you need to buy the previous one to move on to the next one. Because that's how Cookie Clicker works. Okay, so that can be the one in the middle, then this can be off to the side. Okay, so we can just make clones of all of them, I guess. As you can tell, I don't really know what I'm doing here. Repeat R2, I guess. Oh, it's not when I start as a clone, it's when I receive prestige upgrades. Broadcast, prestige upgrades, and also we need to delete clones. So a way to make sure clones get deleted, just do like if 1 equals 1, because that's always true, then you delete it. It won't delete the normal sprite, so that's just a tip. Okay, great, but there's a bit of problem. Oh, I need to create clones, okay. Forgot about the creating clone bit. And then I need to show the clones, hide the original. Yeah, so they'll need to be smaller, but we can have upgrades laid out somewhat like that. Someone had said, do you have any advice to making a Scratch game? Yeah, I've got a couple videos on the channel for that. I'm thinking of making another one because some of the videos kind of suck, but I'll need some like time to actually give good advice. So I think that's a better size. And then we can have like that. And then if you want any more, can you suggest some more prestige upgrade suggestions? Make an upgrade that plays a sound effects, and it will give you I don't know about that one. Add a ×2 to the icon, golden cookie. Okay, maybe I'll just get some code in here working. Not that I'm sure what to do with the code. Okay, we can we want a tooltip. So we can think. We can think the name. We could do description, item descriptions. I think we could do like, I could add them as like upgrade number 300 or something. Add a prestige upgrade that makes the grammar apocalypse lower your cookies less. I haven't even got the grammar apocalypse yet. Oh dear. Item, costume number. I think I can delete the prestige upgrades list. And we'll just put it in like, treat them as buildings or something. But I think all that sort of stuff, like the prestige upgrades could wait. And I could add like a button to actually get back. Go back. I don't know what it's called. It can be like start again. Start again. And of course make the text readable. And we can have, we can get rid of that. We can have this big button here, right in the middle. We can, oh, so there's actually some upgrade suggestions in the chat. I'll read those in a second. Okay, so the start again button, you can click that to exit the prestige upgrade screen. Okay, please make my singing monsters. No, this is cookie clicker. An upgrade called cookie miner, which is a pickaxe that mines the cookie auto clicker. I could maybe add like an actual auto clicker. I have prestige upgrade that what does debugger mean? Someone asked. It's this extension. It's a Scratch add-on. So I've got a browser extension. It shows stats over here. You can make it say messages. It's good for testing stuff. Make an upgrade that makes the cookie gold for 1 minute, increasing the amount of cookies you get per click when the cookie is gold. You know what? I might copy that and put that here to make sure I remember to do that, because I like that idea. Okay, and then so we want an if. So we want the go back button to work now. Okay, so if is go back. Okay, and then like that. If okay, and then we want this thing again. Okay, I think we can put this in that. Make a mini game for cookies. Yeah, I don't think I'll have enough time for mini games. The time is not on the screen, but I've only got 10 hours. And I don't think I can add mini games quite yet. I want to get everything else working. Make milk plus. The milk needs like an animation. Oh, that's an idea I want to do, but I'll need to actually get the milk, like the milk whoop, 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 working. Otherwise, it just looks terrible. Okay. So if it's go back, then we broadcast back to normal. Okay. So when I receive back to normal, we switch it to prestige. And then show clear. Just give me a second. Okay, yeah. So, what I've done here. So, we've got the button. We click it. We go, yep. And then it explodes. We got upgrades, which do nothing, like they got fake descriptions. Start again. And then, okay, the upgrades are meant to disappear. That's a problem, and the background still. Make a secret upgrade at 1,000,000 cookies. What secret upgrade should I add? Make a spider merchant that appears every 2 to 5 minutes. He sells really good upgrades for high prices. Okay, why is it a spider? Okay, so when I receive back to normal, delete the clones. And then when I receive back to normal, switch it to the normal one. Okay, so let's test this work. Yup. Okay, and then if we start again. Okay, the shop's not back yet. Oh dear. Could you play my game? Yeah, I'll do a playing your games episode later. Like, it's not now. This is a cookie clicker live stream. When I receive back to normal, show clear graphic effects. And then, we want that on the shadow, the shine effect, the number counters, and now if we do back to normal, oh, still broken, we want that on the indicators. Yeah, now everything's back to normal. Wait, it isn't, we still don't have the shine effect. What? I just copy pasted the code into there. Okay, now when we do back to normal, yeah, everything is back to normal. Okay, you really could use the particles being back, but as you can tell, it's so laggy. I might have used Turbo Warp or something. Make an upgrade where if you click the cookie, then it will grow bigger until it explodes and you get 100 or 200 more clicks. Why are we making the cookie explode more than it needs to? Okay. I just broke everything by clicking the button too much. But, oh, golden cookie. It gives us frenzy. Oh, that's also something I want to do. I want to make the thing not a variable and make it like an actual indicator. So we'll test prestige stuff later. I want to make a proper, like, timer. So I'll make a new sprite. Okay. Or you can use the sign block to animate the milk waves. Yeah, good, maybe. Might be able to. But all the rest of the things are, like, the worst upgrade suggestions I've literally ever seen, like... No, I'm not adding... Add cursor killers. No! Okay, I mean this in the nicest possible way. Get ideas that don't suck. Okay, so I want a timer for the frenzy. So when you click a golden cookie like now, gives you a frenzy timer. That gives you times 7 cookies for a limited amount of time. Now I want to make a timer so it doesn't look ugly. BG. Oh, Jackson Academy is back! Okay, and now we can get a circle. And then we can fill the circle with a nice blue color. And now I want to make it so I want to make it look like a timer. So, I don't know how to do that. So, I guess we could do like take chunks out of it. That doesn't look like, oh no. I want to make it look like it's a clock, like it's the time is running out, but we could maybe I can do a triangle. Okay, we can make a triangle the same color and then just put that over the top. And then we make it centered. Yeah, that gives you the illusion. So, okay, this can be 60. This can be like 50. Oh, maybe I should do like percentages. So that's 1. Maybe I can do half. So half would be just a rectangle over everything. And then this can be 0. So, and then I can fill in the rest. We can have quarters. That's about a quarter. So the timer ticks down like whoop, boop, boop. But I want to make it look smoother. Okay, someone said make an upgrade where if you click the cookie, then it will grow bigger until it explodes and you get 100 or 200 or some amount of clicks. I still don't understand this suggestion. What should I bet $750 on? Black or red? My card depends on this. Answer quick, please. You shouldn't bet. Okay, and now we can have like 25%. And then we can have the bits in the middle, I guess. So this is 0.8. I go maybe like 9. Oh, I need that. What? How do I get the costume back? Here. Add golden eggs as a 3rd prestige currency. 3rd prestige currency! I've only got 1 so far and it doesn't even work! Oh. Okay, so... Oh, I think I can... get this, and then just move this over to the timer, and then we can switch costume to frenzy timer over 60, and then we can round that. No, we don't want to round that actually. Okay, I want to see if this works. Set frenzy timer to 60. It doesn't work. I feel like my timer idea kind of sucks anyway. Our golden cookie has its own currency for better upgrades. Now I'm gonna try and make this like actual cookie clicker. Okay, I'm gonna delete those timers. I'm just gonna make it an icon with like a tooltip. But I want to make this game as much as actual cookie clicker as I can. And it's only got one prestige layer, so I'll focus on that. And then I might add later things later. Okay, so frenzy. Okay, so then we can have a tooltip. You know how much I love my tooltips. Okay, so clean up blocks, and we can have a join. Frenzy times 7 cookies per second for wherever the variable is. Seconds. Oh no. For frenzy timer seconds. And then we'll think that. Yeah, it's not when I start as clone, it's gonna be forever. And then it's gonna depend on if. Okay, so I want to hide that. Hide. So it'll get rid of the ugly variable. So now I want to try to clean this up. Set frenzy timer to 60. Okay, and now we got a little icon here which shows that we've got a buff. So I wish it was a timer. I tried to make it so it was like looked like a little clock. Don't know how to make that work. Oh, here's an actual golden cookie. I think it gave us another frenzy. They don't stack, it just refreshes the timer. Someone's saying E. So dear, so many E's. Add the Cars movie as a Spider Merchant item, please. I'm not adding the Spider Merchant. I don't know what you mean by that. Okay, and also when it's a frenzy, I want the things to be more like gold. So we can have normal, and we can have a frenzy shine effect. Okay. So we can have gold. I don't know what color is the right one. Okay, that doesn't look terribly good. Yeah, so when you get a frenzy, it turns golden. Maybe I can make it even bigger. Yeah, so that's your normal shine. This is the frenzy shine. You can even add double the amount of shine. Well, actually, you could have the normal shine effect. And then it's just in the middle. I'm not sure about this, actually. It kind of looks mid. Okay, and then that's good. And then I also want to add like a little gradient here. So I'll show you what I mean. make it gold here on the edge, and then just have a little golden edge. And then we can have that all around. So we can go like that. So this will make it look like the frenzy's even better than it is. Okay. Like that. And we'll set it to the back layer. The back layer. So go to back layer. Yeehaw. And we'll set the ghost effect to like 50 or something. Oh, that looks terrible as 50. 0. Okay, so maybe I should have just changed the color to be less bad. Yeah, maybe like wait. Maybe I can make the transparency a bit lower at the start. Yeah, something like that. Add diamond cookies as a much rarer golden cookie and more overpowered. So I'm trying to make this more like normal cookie clicker. So I'm not trying to add like random features. I'm trying to make like the normal cookie clicker features. Okay, so when actually, so I could have a broadcast. Actually, no, I don't want to broadcast. We can have this. So if frenzy timer is greater than 0, then we'll... Actually, that's going to make a lot of lag. Okay, back to this idea. So we can have a broadcast for frenzy and a broadcast for end frenzy. Okay, I need water. Make sure to stay hydrated. Okay, so when I receive frenzy, receive end frenzy. So we go to back layer. So we want to show, go to back layer. Okay, we want to set the ghost effect to like 100. But then we'll fade it in. So we'll change ghost effect by -5. And repeat that 20 times. Okay, and then it'll be the other way around for the end frenzy. It will fade out. So broadcast frenzy. Fade out. Fade in. I could even do a couple more. Yeah, and it slowly grows in. Yeah, I like that. Okay, and now I want to make it work on this. End frenzy, normal frenzy. Oh, begin frenzy, and then normal. Okay, and then I think that's all the frenzy sword themed upgrades. Okay, and then we can have broadcast and I might restructure this code. So when I receive frenzy, we repeat until, and then we do all this. And then, oh dear. We might need a -0.1. If it's only ticking once a sec, it's gonna have some lag because of this 0.1 second. Who cares about lag? It's not like this isn't laggy already. Okay, so the restructuring the code like this will let me begin and end it and should reduce lag, hopefully. So, golden cookie will broadcast. Where is it? Frenzy. And then, oh, this is going to be called outer shine or something. Something weird. Add semi-transparent milk. Okay, I want to add milk. Add a sugar cookie. Already added sugar cookies. And it's not 2.8 times multiplier for 5 seconds. It's just going to behave like a normal cookie. Okay, so outer shine. Hide. And also the prestige. When you use prestige, it probably should end the frenzy as well. Wait, how do I do that? Broadcast. When I receive. Broadcast and frenzy. So when I receive prestige, yeah. Okay, so let's start this up. Okay, wrong costume. Yep. I also think there's another problem with cookies baked all time. That should reset. So when I receive reset, set cookies baked all time to 0. Good. I'll add the milk. I don't know how you're meant to add the milk. It's my game. Okay, that shouldn't be showing. That's a problem. So, and then when I receive end frenzy, hide. Okay. Now I want to spawn a golden cookie to test if everything I made worked. That was a lucky cookie. It gives you 7 cookies. Oh, multiplies your cookies per second, but I don't have any. Huh? What? Huh? Okay. I had a sign the wrong way around. Also, the golden cookies are not going to a random position on the screen. I didn't realize that. Okay, so we want to go to, and we want to go to a random position. Add notifications at the top. There's nothing that needs notifications at the moment. Oh, like, do you mean like notifications for when you click the cookie? When you click a golden cookie, like the effect it gives you? Because that actually might be needed. Okay, so minus 180 to 180. And we want to go to front layer. Okay, so we got a couple golden cookies here. Yeah, so now we got a frenzy, and now the background's golden, the edges are golden. All the golden cookies are disappearing. Okay. And now if I put particles on, yeah, now there's particles falling. And we're getting... Yeah, see, the problem is I have to turn the particles off because of how laggy it is. Okay. But, yeah, so this is the frenzy. It looks pretty nice. But turn particles off. Yeah, so what is the ideas now? Guys, I'll make a remix and add your ideas. How are you meant to remix it? It's not even shared yet. Add the spider merchant. What is a spider merchant? You still haven't explained. I've seen the idea 10 trillion times and I don't want to know what it is. I don't know what it is. Oh. Someone's saying like the news ticker. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be able to fit that. Because the screen's a lot smaller. Oh, and also that's a problem. Okay, so I can't really add a news ticker because there's not enough space. But also I found a problem with my frenzy code. It probably shouldn't call if it's already happened. Wait, I'll show you what I mean. If frenzy timer if frenzy timer is greater than 0, oh no, maybe I should do it here. Oh no, that won't work. So what happens is if you have a frenzy and then you click another golden cookie and it gives you another frenzy, the background fades to gold again, when really it shouldn't. Who knows? Yeah, that can just be a feature. Who cares? So, I can't want to add milk. Yeah, let's add milk. Someone said milk. So milk is a thing. And I said I wouldn't be able to draw and it would look terrible. Let's see. Yeah, that's bad. Okay, we'll draw a nice curve. And then we can draw it like that. Oh, that is such milk. And now I want to make sure it scrolls properly. Okay, so the edges need to be in the same thing, the same look. The edges need to look the same, then it will scroll properly. Okay, so at that point it goes down, and at that point it goes up, and that could look good. I don't know. So we can have milk. Okay, so the spider merchant is a spider that comes down every 2 to 5 minutes, and they have good items. Yeah, no, I just want to make this more like normal cookie clicker. I'm gonna take suggestions for the cookie upgrades, like upgrades and stuff, as long as they're kind of reasonable and would fit into normal cookie clicker. But like outlandish ideas, nah, I'm not gonna add them. But when I release this, you can remix and add whatever you want. So I'll need a clone. So I'll need to... So I want to make this scroll infinitely. If X position is less than -480, then we change X by 960, I think it is. And then we change X by -5, oh, -7, that works. I want to create a clone. Move 480, create clone. Here's milk. It actually kind of worked. Wow. I didn't expect that. Wow. Melted chocolate upgrade. I could do a melted cookie. Someone said I'm back. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Okay, -5. I can also set Y to sine, so I can add some bobbing up and down. Assign timer. And I could do that like times 10 or something. Okay, maybe not times 10. Times 10. And I think I could do time... this is a whole lot of math stuff. So times... all this will do is make the milk bob up and down, hopefully. It doesn't look like it's doing anything. Maybe I can say... I'll see what I can do here. I'm gonna make the milk look more milky. So minus 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it goes back down. And then might have to add a bit more there. Okay. So then what we can do is we send it to the back layer. Go to back layer. Go to back layer, and then we can make the transparency a bit more transparent. Okay, so... so the problem with the milk there is... what? Huh? Maybe I need to go to 0, 0. Yeah, there we... overlap. There's a bit of a... oh no, I can't do that. Okay, so I need to make the milk scroll better, and there's kind of a bit of a not scrolling good there. Yeah, that's better. Add cheese milk. Cheese milk. That sounds disgusting. Oh dear. Chocolate milk, yeah. So I'll need to figure out how to make the milk colors next. The milk flavors next. Because milk is meant to go up with achievements. There's no achievements yet. I must have broken... oh, what? Okay, I don't think I can make transparency work. And also, things breaking. So I might just make it... here's a smart idea. What if I make the costume... no, it's not smart. Oh. That's not working! Why not work? Oh, 0. Okay. Well, I need to hide the normal thing then. Milk! It looks horrible, as I predicted. Did you add pies? No. Cookie nuke button that resets all your progress. Basically a reset button. Yeah, I'll need to make a save, load, and reset button. But there is a green flag. Excuse me. Yeah, so that's milk. I don't know how to make it look more milky. That's why I didn't really want to add it, because it doesn't work. I can't draw the milk properly. Maybe when you get the chocolate milk it changes the colour. Yeah, I can change the colour effect. Oh, we can have rainbow milk if we really want. RGB milk. Could you add pies, you said when you would a few hours ago? I don't think I ever said that. And has it really been a few hours ago? What? Wait, when did I start? I started at 9. Oh, it's 11. Okay, so cookie clicker in 10 hours. It's kind of not gone too well. Clear graphic effects. Okay. Oh, I better. Okay, so we got. So this is what we got so far. We got. Oh, what if I turn lag mode off? Lag mode. Okay. So. Oh, here we go. Here's the cookie clicker we've got so far. Ignore the lag. So we got numbers going up, we got cookies falling down, we got cookies falling down there, cookies falling down here. And now we can buy upgrades. 10 hours straight, 10 hours straight, 10 hours straight. Nope. This is going to be 10 hours spread over multiple streams. I just want to see how good I can make cookie clicker. Okay. And then let's see what cookies we can get. Cute cookies. That's a really good deal. 2% more cookies for one cookie. Oh, eggs also. Eggs also pretty valuable. Yeah, so we got a frenzy. So now everything's turning gold. And that works. And we actually are getting ×7 cookies, I think. Oh, the lag is so bad. I might actually have to put this on turbo warp. There is a save load system, so I can save, copy this, any key to exit. Doesn't really let you click any key, does it? And I might share this. I'll share this, and then I'll put it in turbo warp. Now you can remix it if you really want. Okay, I'll better stop this. Okay. Why is there so many cookies falling? Even though we've got 0 cookies per second. That's a bug. Okay, yeah, I might need to fix that. Okay. I want to make sure everything works. Log of cookies per second. Right, log of 0 is negative infinity. Huh. Okay, might have to. And then, wait, I need to do some testing for the formula here. Okay, it's the wrong way round. It should be. It should have less things the more cookies you have. Maybe I can do like just some simple division. It's maybe like less, so 1000 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, maybe we can do like 100 over cookies per second. Okay, and then clean up. And I also want to make it so you can save and load properly. So we'll do when s Oh, I got the... I keep messing up the face. I got it so I can have my face as a big long line. And I keep forgetting to change that. Okay, so we can broadcast save, broadcast load. And wait. And wait. Okay. And now we can refresh this. Oh, someone asked what's my Scratch user? It's Charles Bell. So it's not Donutask. Donutask was taken. Charles Bell, and it was a name I used like a long ago. Oh, Turbo Warp is so much quicker. So yeah, we got cookies, and now we can. Oh, is the save and load in here yet? Oh, uh-oh. I may have broken it here. Oopsie. Okay, it shouldn't let you enter an empty save code. I've crashed Turbo Warp. RIP. Okay, so the save load system's utter garbage. So if answer equals nothing, then we'll load nothing. Also should probably add some more things to the save, like cookies baked all time and heavenly chips. Plus 1, I think. The save load system is actually the worst thing ever made. It needs a big revamp. Okay. Where did Charles Bell come from, someone asked? It's my name. My name is Charles Bell Castro. So it's just Charles and the first bit of Bell Castro. Oh yeah, don't ask name reveal. Give me ideas for Spider Merchant Shop. I think you should add sugar cookies and like bananas. So, have fun remixing it and all that. Oh dear. Why is the save thing still there? Ah. Okay, I need a... hide the save list. Wankill Kieni pressed Okay, that might work. Save that. Father's Bell? You mean Charles Bell? Add a high score for cookies. Oh, like a cloud variable. I could actually do that. I might add a stats page later. Okay. You'll need like stats and options and that sort of stuff. So I'm auto-clicking the cookie here. Don't actually click this fast. And now we can buy a cursor. I'm getting a whole whopping 0.1 cookies per second. And these are cookies made by you guys. The cute cookie. Egg. Maybe one day we'll be able to get the skibbity cookie. Well, someone found a glitch. If you just press the arrow a bunch of times, it becomes free. Oopsie. It's not meant to do that, eh? Add dark chocolate cookies for Yeah, I could add more more cookie types. Yeah, so now we got a frenzy. It's got a golden glow because it's really cool. Someone said, "Bro, I won." I don't know how you win Cookie Clicker. Okay, the lag mode variable shouldn't be there. Make an upgrade for every 1,000 clicks, you get a ton of cookies. I could, but I kind of want to finish everything up that's not working at the moment. Okay, so I got 200 cookies. Let's get a grandma. Nice grandma to bake more cookies. But I really like the like click effect. It looks pretty good. We might even be able to get a mine. Oh no, not a mine, a farm. Oh, look at those cookies go up. What's the scratch link? Oh, I better paste that. Okay, I pasted the scratch link in chat. Yeah, I think we got more frenzy now. Can we buy any cookies? Oh, plain cookies. Gingerbread man. Oh, might be able to get some Oreos. Yeah. What I want to do is test this game until we get, test the game until we get to the prestige system, because I want to watch the cookie explode. Yeah, sorry for not pasting the link before. Are the 1,000 fingers supposed to be 100? Wait, what? Ah, sure. It can be 100. Yeah, these are the only upgrades we've got at the moment. Yeah, there's nothing else. I'm gonna add more upgrades later. The timer for the golden cookies is going very slow. Oh no. Have I done something? I might have to fix the golden cookie timer now. So I think what I need to do is separate this. Okay, thanks for letting me know that. So now the time is separate to the okay, forever. And then we'll stop other scripts and Sprite. Oh, not all. Other scripts and Sprite. But I'll keep this permanent frenzy here. Oh, now we can get 1,000,000 fingers. But I want to buy a farm first. Yeah, we're getting so many cookies per second now. Probably should tell you how many cookies per second it's making. Eh. Now we've got a bunch of cursor. That's making a lot of cookies. Oh, I did something. Oh dear. Someone said hi. Hi. I get infinite golden cookie thing. Yep. So frenzy should be fixed when it refreshes next. Probably should make lag mode hide. Oh. So maybe we can have... So this variable can be, I don't know, over the top here. And we can also have music showing. Where if I can see music, wait, why do I have a volume variable when this exists? Oh, you can't change it. Okay, that's dumb. Set volume. Okay, so I want to show volume. And then we can do forever. I'll do a temporary options menu. if mouse okay, and if mouse x is greater than like 100, if mouse x is less than negative 150, we can show the variables, so volume and lag mode, and we can hide the variables. Okay, I might need a bit more room for there. Bit more room. I reckon that's about perfect. Oh, actually minus 110. Maybe minus 100. Yeah, now you can change the settings if you need it. That should be helpful. Donutask, I've been watching since I solved the world's hardest math problem. Wow, the world's hardest math problem was a school assignment, so thank you for watching the videos. Okay. So let's save. It doesn't let me save. Oh, here it is. And then let's refresh, and let's hope the save code works. It could not work. It's got a habit of, my code has a habit of being dumb. Let's make a world record cloud variable and a world record holder one. Okay, I'll add that after this. Oh, it worked! Barely. It needs to calculate the cookies per second. Okay, I can get rid of that. Clean up. So after it loads everything, what I want to do is broadcast calculate cookies per second. Yeah, and then maybe prices as well. What key to save? S key. Better put that in the instructions. S to save. L to load. Description will be made later, lol. Okay. Okay, someone said add a world record holder. So let's do that. World record. Cloud variable. I don't really know where to put this. We can have oh, clean this up. So we can have if cookies baked all time. If cookies is greater than world record, we can set it. Greater than world record. Set world record. 2 cookies. And record holder, I won't be able to store that because Scratch cloud variables can only hold numbers. And I can't be bothered to make a converter that converts numbers to letters. That's gonna be annoying. And I guess we could have a world record show in the option screen. Like, the option screen is a big overstatement. It's not got much options here. Yeah. So if you if you hover your mouse over here, you'll see the world record. Oh, whoa, someone's getting the world record already. Yeah, so... And then you'll be able to change volume and lag mode and all that sort of stuff. How long do you have to make this in? This is going to be 10 hours. There's meant to be a timer on the screen, but we've got plenty of time. And I want to end the stream soon, actually, so... Because my voice is starting to hurt. Oh, 1,000 cookies per second, wow. Okay, it doesn't really store the upgrades you bought properly. That's annoying. There's a bit of an error here. I didn't buy these, I bought the ones before them. That'll have to be another day problem. How do I own 2 mines? How do I own a factory? What? Mass produces cookies. I never bought a factory. Can I buy any of these? No. What? It's not even... I don't know how I got a factory. I get 1.2k a second. I don't want to reset. Oh, the frenzy. Oh. I think the frenzy's even brokener. Okay, that was disconnected. Oopsie. And I think I needed something in the load. If... A lot of the things are a bit broken here. If frenzy timer greater than 0, broadcast frenzy. That should make things work. Yeah, we got a frenzy. Now I got some factories. Somehow I had factories before even... I'll keep clicking Control S, which tries to save the web page. Can I add donut cookies? Maybe I can buy quadrillion fingers. A trillion fingers? Oh, what? Yeah, the thing is, you still only get 1 cookie per click. Oh yeah, this works. It should round that, okay. There's a bug. Where's my calculationer block? And now I also need to have times the cookies by the prestige multiplier. Heavenly chip effect, I think it should be. And then that is what? Yeah, that should give us bonus cookies. And now I need to... This is making the prestige system actually work, because it doesn't work. So when I set prestige effect, and that's just going to be this at the moment. Yeah, and then we can copy that into the load. Oh no, it should be +1. No, I'll add +1 here. So this will make sure we always get extra So it'll always be, So if you've got 0 prestige points, it won't reset. Someone's threatening to add the spider merchant. You can add that in your own remix. I'm not adding it to this one. You should add commas to the cookies per second counter. Good idea. I might add that later. But I'm not actually entirely sure how to make that one work. Because Scratch doesn't put commas in its numbers by default. Okay, oh. And then I want to, when we reset, so this is a full reset, it is set HFs to 0, effect to 0, and now I want to save this in Turbo Warp, if it will work. Where's my save code? I'm pressing S. Oh, just takes a while. Okay. And then I want to refresh the page. People can cheat. Ah, yeah, it's cookie clicker. Everyone cheats. Sugar lump, add milk lumps, better version of sugar lumps. I don't have sugar lumps yet. Load. Save codage dish. Oh dear. That's not right. I don't know what I managed to get there. I managed to get a few more cookies. And the entirety of my things I own list is broken. Huh. This is a bit OP. I can just buy the most expensive item in the game 1,000,000 times. Ah, that works. Oh dear. Now it's not even, wait. The cookies particles are just very annoying. They should be spawning. What, infinity? After a while it waits infinity seconds. Wow. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Yeah, so we got a few issues here. A couple issues. Save and load is Save and load is completely broken, as you can see. As you can see here, I got way too many cookies loading it in. The shop, it doesn't save properly. This doesn't work. This, oh, I want to see if this one works. Actually, I want to open the shop, see if it closes the shop for you. It needs to close the shop. And that was really unsatisfying. Huh. Wait. Okay, let's make Prestiging close the shop. Oh, I actually got the power to time out people. I can... I got the power to ban people. Okay, so these upgrades actually don't do anything. Yeah, nice. Bye, Pingu. Mate, good luck on the remix. Okay. So the prestige upgrades don't do anything, so I better clarify that. And I want to see if this works. The milk should disappear when you prestige. Back to normal. Oh, someone's making a game whilst watching the live stream. Oof. Double scratching. Oh, the original's not meant to... Okay. Just need to make it so the original milk doesn't show again, because clones are absolute pain to work with. Costume name equals milk. Okay, we'll switch costume to no. Switch costume to milk. Okay, that should work. The world record's really high. I'm gonna work on the save load system next stream. It's broken. I might just make it go like... Bro, saving is broken. Lol. Saving is broken at the moment. I got a golden cookie and the frenzy never ended. It should end now. That was a bug before. Also, the cookie's not making noise. Oh, this is set to volume percent. I want to make the music quieter, but also make that so we can set to like 10. Music's maybe 5. Music can be 5 times quieter than normal. Okay, so I want to refresh this page. If you don't add the abbreviations, at least add E and plus the costumes of the counter. And 2, you can also shorten the scientific notation so it doesn't just cram to the side of the screen. Oh, actually. Smart. Genius in the chat. I can just add the letter E. And then we can add the letter plus, or the symbol plus. And then, okay, let's set our cookies to like E plus 9. So this is scientific notation. Oh. Yeah! Okay, thank you random Rex player. That actually worked. Okay, there's also something else I want to do. I want to make the music change when you're ascending. So, upload. But I'm not sure if it'll crash the project, because it is a little bit long. Maybe I can just shorten it. So I've imported the Cookie Clicker music. This is from the actual Cookie Clicker soundtrack. It's got a soundtrack. The music's by the same dude who made Minecraft music. Okay, so when I receive So I think I need to detect if we're in the prestige screen. So if backdrop name is prestige background. How are people still commenting egg? The lesser script here. So if the backdrop is the prestige background, then we can play a different track. And then we can stop all sounds. We'll see if that works. So save that. Reload. And we can even see inside Turbo Warp. Can I put a link in chat? No clue. Okay, so what I can do here is we can cheat cookies in. And then the prestige button should be showing up. Oh, because it doesn't change cookies baked all the time. Oh, we also need volume up. Okay, so just cheated some cookies in. It didn't have any sound effect there. Okay, those don't work. Yep. It doesn't reset cookies baked all time, that's a problem. Okay, it doesn't work. It's meant to stop the sound effect. Oh, who cares? I wanted to make it change music, but that's too hard for Scratch, I guess. So I'll just won't. I'll leave the code there. There's more stuff I want to do, but I'm getting kind of tired now. So, right. So I think it would be a nice time to end the stream here. The link, I'll give you guys the link. I did something in YouTube. So, you can remix the game yourself if you want. Make what you want. I might finish up here, and then later we'll stream again, and we might finish the 10-hour cookie clicker. It's getting together quite well. We added some prestige system, which I don't really know if it works. We added some milk. We added some more cookies. Some of them were your suggestions, like egg. We added a better frenzy display. We added all sorts of stuff. But later we'll work on this again. And let's see if we can get 10-hour cookie clicker to be the best cookie clicker ever made on Scratch. Yeah, that's not happening. My art sucks. So, bye guys.